Hey guys, it's Purav from PDTechHD here, and this video will be a first look at Samsung's latest all-in-one PC under the ATIV brand, the ATIV One 5 style. So let's get started.
Hi, I'm Rebecca from Samsung. Today we're going to be talking about the Samsung ATIV One 5 style. So we've got our all-in-one PC, 21.5 inches. Full HD resolution, so you got your 1920 by 1080 with touch. So we've got two options with our product actually. So we've got our touch, and then also we give the option of the non-touch version. This all-in-one PC is running on desktop mode and also the Windows user interface. Internal memory is 1 terabyte. Focusing on our two softwares, which is Samsung Home Sync Lite and then also our side sync as well, which you might have seen a little bit about. These applications are preloaded to the device itself as the internal memory is so large. Inputs, we've got our HDMI in and out around the back, and then also got our USB ports also. Pretty interesting to have a look at.
Hope you guys enjoyed that quick first look of the Samsung ATIV One 5 style. From the short time I used it, Windows 8 ran smoothly and text on the display looked sharp. Colors look very vibrant and natural. No pricing and availability has been given yet for the ATIV One 5 style, but I'll update the link with an Amazon one should it become available. In the meantime, there's a product information link if you want to find out more about this all-in-one. If you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to give it a like. Let me know your thoughts on the all-in-one PC down below, and do subscribe since I have more videos from Samsung Premiere coming up, including first look videos of the Book 9 Plus, the S4 Active, the S4 Zoom, ATIV Tab 3, ATIV Q, and the Galaxy NX. So definitely subscribe and stay tuned for those. Do check out my previous video, which was a full review of the Samsung Galaxy S4 if you missed it, and I'll see you all in the next video.